Greetings everybody, Sive here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's take a look now on the gold market. So on the gold market, well, I have some complex feelings about these markets, just because from one point of view, gold behaves very predictable. It's coming from our target to another. And for those who are actually stands with the gold on an investment basis, who hold the long position, for extended time already, since we started preparation for this upper direction 2 years ago. That's great. So we're just going and moving higher, but at the same time, market is very scroogey in terms of the retracements. So it's very difficult and it's a really big challenge right now for the market to catch the proper retracement. And additional interest to the market a bit make impact on the short-term performance and doesn't let market to show more or less a moderate pullback that might be considered for, well, reliable and good positioned entry on the market. That's the problem currently. Since market has come in closer to the overbought area, this question and this problem is becoming even stronger. This concern actually. So what we're gonna do currently? So you can see market stands actually right around our target, so 45.16. As we said yesterday, pre-count has happened. Market's going to the target of the butterfly. This is also 45.25 with the weekly overbought, and market stands for on a monthly overbought for a long time already. Obviously, this is not a good point for considering taking new position, at least based on the technical reasons. And currently, we can't recommend you to take the new longs. So even to think about probable profit taking, at least partially, around this area. Besides, we're coming to long-term holidays. Anything can happen currently, especially the turmoil around Venezuela. Actually, it's quite interesting question. What has triggered this upward action? Some complex of the problems or whatever, together with the Fed quantitative easing in Venezuela, and something else, or all this stuff together, because we do not have any quite bright factor that could just really push gold immediately to the upside. Probably there's some compounding factor that is actually support the demand, or investors trying to hedge positions before long weekends. I do not know. It's difficult to say. But the fact is that gold market currently is moving high and stands near the target. On the 4 time frame chart, we have another bullish signs. First of all, the acceleration out of the channel, which is also definitely bullish. And actually, next target that we have here is the XOP 45.75. We have, and when we see this kind of acceleration, obviously this target should be completed at some point relatively soon. So this also might be considered here. Speaking about recent grabbers and in general how performance has happened, you can see that despite that we actually have had no plans to take short positions, with this grabber that has been formed on a job market data release right here, and then a few grabbers that have been formed yesterday, why we said, let's see, maybe we'll get some minor retracement at least to 43, trying to get the position. Maybe this will be hand shorts, but take a look. Just market starts moving slightly lower, immediately upward action starts and just totally erased anything. It's not even the 30%, so it's well, as I said, it's really currently it's a big challenge to catch the proper entry in the gold market for now. Still for a short term, just to give you some sweet stuff here, we could get some interesting trading stops on the hourly chart. We have good thrusting action here. The same on the 4 time frame chart. It's good thrust here. Just if you increase the scale, you will see it better. Maybe it's not as impressive, but it's enough candles to the upside to treat it as a thrust for a trading of the Napoli pattern. And if we will get, for example, some retracement 30%, or maybe it will be the shape of the double repo pattern here, we could try to take it. Bread and butter, of course, is more preferable because it is continuation pattern, and currently I do not have any actually desire to go against the existing tendency, so I prefer to join it. From that standpoint of view, it's more or less deep retracement as a momentum bullish trade will be more preferable than the bearish reversal pattern right there. But let's see what we get. this potentially could generate some trading opportunities on the intraday charts, on the hourly chart and longer time frames. Actually, this is all for now, because on the higher time frames, as I explained, currently the placement of the market, so that it's not good point for considering taking new longs for more or less extended perspective. Of course, you could try, for instance, take minor position of the stops just below these lows and trying to catch the target around 4.516. It's a very short-term trade, but I'm not considering it because it's too small, and usually we are considering a bit larger scale background, larger scale patterns. So that's probably all that I could say. See you tomorrow.